So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do inside of Strikingly is go ahead and add in a gallery element if you want to add in image or video gallery. So to do that, you need to add in a make your own section. So to do that, you can click on add a new section, and if you were to go to advanced, you can see the make your own section. So I've already added mine and deleted out the other elements. So let's just go ahead and delete this out as well. And over here, you can see the add element option right here. If I were to go ahead and click, then what you see right here is gallery, item, and structure. So if I were to go ahead and click right here, you can see that I have these three images right here. So now I can add images right here and then choose from the uploaded images that I have. Let's say, for example, I can go ahead and add in videos if I want to as well. But let me just go ahead and add in another image that I have right here, just like this right here. And you can even go ahead and remove the images as you want as well. So you can add image or video as you want. You can click on the layout button to go ahead and change the layout right here. You can go ahead right here and it shows up all the images. So there's layout A, B, and C as a choice right here. And I can, let's say, for example, duplicate this, and I can go ahead and change the location of it as I want as well. So let's say, for example, I'm going to change the layout. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and drag this down right here. So you can add in videos as you want as well, enter out the video URL, or add in images as you want right here in gallery element. So let's say for the video, I'm going to go ahead and add in video right here, add in the URL right here, just like this. And as I do that, what happens is that the YouTube URL will load up and then it gets added in the gallery, just like this. So this is basically how you can go ahead and work around with the gallery element inside of Strikingly. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.